Hello guys! Hello! Maing adlaw na tuntanan guys, and guys natakaroon diri sa Vietnam and Saigon or Ho Chi Minh. So we have this row of boats guys, probably fishing boats. So inanakadaghan ng mga fishing boats diri guys, and currently we are heading inland gikan sa outlet, and this like for me I think this is the Mekong Delta, and it leads all the way to Saigon guys, or Ho Chi Minh. So this is what we call a brown river. Kita ni mo diri nga naghantag mga boats nga makita, because dito dadaan talaga dito yung mga boats going to Ho Chi Minh. Yung malayo-layo pa tayo guys, it will take us a few hours just you know, cruising. Maya-maya makikita na natin yung inland na city ng Ho Chi Minh. It's a big city actually, marami kang makikita doon, and for a first timer it's gonna be overwhelming because ang dami talaga mga motorcycle doon guys. And for me, Saigon or Ho Chi Minh is a motorcycle city, I would say. So maya-maya guys, nasa ano na tayo, Ho Chi Minh. And yeah, thank you for watching.